AutoHoop is a device manufactured by Auriservice, a division of the Studio Eureka Group. Once installed, it is used to automatically embroider on various types of ribbon tapes with Tajima single-head and multi-head machines. It is ideal for repetitive embroidery, such as logos, but also customized ones with different names and text. Initially, the operator sets the embroidery repetitions, configuring the desired number and distance. Embroidery is performed automatically without the need for manual intervention. At the end of the process, the frame automatically moves the ribbon according to the values set on the operating panel. The frame has been designed to be easily installed and removed directly by the user. Once the AutoHoop frame has been removed, the machine instantly goes back to being operational with its normal functions. For new users, we recommend a brief tutorial with an Auriservice technician to understand the guidelines for using the device, and with a Pulse technician to have an introduction on the dedicated punching system.